I'm about to show you exactly how to transform one long video into dozens of perfect short clips for Facebook and TikTok in under 10 minutes. Forget filming new content, hunting through hours of footage, or relying on pure guesswork to find the best moments. Today, we are diving deep into how this AI does most of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus purely on content strategy, not tedious editing. If you are new to the channel, my name is Chase, and my team specializes in helping creators and brands massively grow their audiences and ad funnels. On this channel, I break down the exact, repeatable workflows we use daily, so you can achieve better results much faster than the competition. In this comprehensive guide, we are covering 3 massive areas that will change your content game forever. First, we will detail the auto-extraction of viral bits from any long video to get ready to post clips instantly. Second, we tackle automating your entire scheduling and posting process so your channels stay active without you constantly babysitting them. Third, we look at managing and polishing everything cohesively within one powerful content calendar for scaling consistent output. After covering those pillars, I will walk you through stitching it all together into an actual posting plan in literal minutes. Ready to save hours every week? Let's jump right into the first section. First up is the magic of auto-editing your most viral clips, which honestly saves me the most amount of time daily. Instead of downloading a long webinar or interview and spending hours scrubbing through audio waves, this system handles it. The AI analyzes the entire video file to intelligently find those truly attention-grabbing moments throughout the recording. It then creates short clips that are already optimized for every platform format you need, like 9:16 for stories or 1:1 for square posts. Here is my personal workflow. You simply drop in the long source video, maybe a 45-minute podcast or a full product demo. The system scans for key indicators such as sudden peaks in energy, audience reactions, important repeated keywords, and significant visual changes. It automatically generates multiple clip options for you, complete with suggested in and out points right from the start. You also receive suggested captions and even thumbnail frames already prepared for your immediate review. You have the power to dictate the final length, choosing clips that are 15, 30, or even 60 seconds long. The AI is smart enough to suggest powerful hooks, those first couple of lines that guarantee viewers won't immediately swipe away. It even formats a perfectly tailored caption that fits the specific stylistic requirements of each target social platform. What once required an editor an entire day of dedicated work, I can now accomplish in just a few minutes myself. Furthermore, you can easily fine-tune the AI's auto-selection using simple on-screen sliders to adjust start and end frames. If a clip needs a different feel, you can direct the AI to make it either more emotional, more informative, or significantly snappier. Crucially, the final output is fully editable, giving you final control over captions, music, or added calls to action. This capability is absolutely killer when you are running multiple creatives for paid ad testing against each other. Suddenly, you have 10 or 15 high-quality variants ready to analyze which one truly resonates with your target demographic. Now, let me be completely real for a second about the current market landscape for these types of tools. Other tools out there can certainly handle small parts of this puzzle. Some offer transcripts, others let you trim, and a few can auto-caption. However, many of those alternatives fall short when you start talking about true scale and AI intelligence in the context of virality. They often miss the best hooks, fail to prioritize true viral potential, or demand tedious manual tagging for every single extracted segment. Plus, a lot of these competing editors become incredibly glitchy when processing long files, or they completely lose the speaker context in multi-person interviews. The undeniable edge this platform has is its core engineering focus on finding those viral moments at massive scale and turning them into ready-to-post assets rapidly. This is precisely why, for serious content operations, I continue to rely on this system above all others. Moving on to the second crucial area, automating your post scheduling for maximum consistent reach. Once you have those amazing clips, you absolutely need a consistent posting rhythm, which is the exact spot where most creators unfortunately lose all their traction. The tool allows you to preset your desired posting frequency and your optimal engagement times across all your key channels. Then, the AI intelligently schedules those newly created clips to automatically publish across all your connected platforms. You can specify a cadence like post 5 times every week, and the AI will smartly space out your best content. It actively works to rotate different hook styles and deliberately avoids posting similar content back-to-back for variety. What I personally appreciate is the ability to preview the entire proposed schedule before anything goes live. You always retain the option to jump in and manually edit any slot, ensuring human oversight is maintained. You can even set specific granular rules, for example, prioritizing clips that mention a product early in the day. Another great rule is telling the system never to post 2 interview-style clips back-to-back, maintaining content diversity. If you manage multiple brands or personal channels, you can keep separate, distinct schedules within the same master account, eliminating spreadsheet hell. Manual schedulers or generic social media tools force you to individually upload and place every single piece of content, which is incredibly tedious and prone to human error. With this smart automation, you set the desired content rhythm once, and the AI intelligently fills out the entire operational calendar. This brings us to the third powerful pillar, keeping all your content output perfectly tidy within the content calendar. Vizard's calendar view is far more than just a simple list. It functions as a centralized collaborative hub for your entire team. You can easily drag and drop clips to reschedule them, add important internal review notes, or assign specific tasks to team members. Need to make a last-minute change? You can even batch edit captions or globally update your standard set of hashtags across many posts at once. Imagine you need to push a specific product launch next week. You just tag the relevant clips with a campaign label. The calendar will immediately visualize your coverage gaps and oversaturation points for that specific promotion. If you need to swap out an organic post version for a slightly different paid advertisement version, that is also simple to execute. This level of centralization is an absolute game changer, especially for small, agile marketing teams. When you compare this to stitching together shared folders, endless spreadsheets, and separate third-party scheduling apps, the time savings are immense. Some competitors offer a basic posting queue or a separate standalone scheduler, but they lack this connected, visual overview of your creative types and campaign alignment. That workflow difference, seeing everything connected, is the real key to successfully scaling your entire content operation. All right, let's transition into a practical, quick demonstration of putting this entire workflow together in just minutes. Step number 1 in this rapid process is simply uploading your chosen long-form source video to the platform. This source could be anything: a detailed product walkthrough, a fireside founder interview, or even a full-length recording of a live webinar. Step 2 involves letting the powerful auto editor do its initial intensive analysis and clip generation completely on its own. Within just a few short minutes, you will be presented with a manageable list of clips, each having an AI-suggested caption and a strong thumbnail ready to go. Step 3 is where you make your strategic choices. Pick about 5 to 10 clips that align perfectly with your current goals. Make sure you select some for pure brand awareness, others with product mentions for direct conversions, and a few funny ones for pure virality. Step 4 is the final push. Set your posting frequency, choose your target platforms, add any necessary campaign tags, and then hit that final schedule button. If you need granular tracking, you can always tweak those captions right here to include specific promotional messages or UTM tracking links. For instance, we had a client with a full hour-long product Q&A session that they were struggling to repurpose effectively. We uploaded that single file, and the AI immediately generated over 20 highly usable, distinct clips for us to work with. I strategically chose 3 excellent educational clips for our ongoing organic feed and 2 powerful testimonial snippets for paid ad testing. I then scheduled all of those selections to publish smoothly over the next 3 weeks at the platform's calculated optimal times. The total time investment from raw file to scheduled post for that entire campaign was legitimately under 10 minutes of my time. The resulting outcome was a noticeably more consistent social feed, superior repurposing of the core asset, and measurable lift in audience growth. Now, let's touch briefly on strategy, specifically concerning iterative testing and creative variations. Never put all your audience acquisition eggs into just one creative format or one single hook. Leverage this tool to generate multiple versions of the exact same clip. Think different openers, varied captions, and unique thumbnail images. The bulk export and streamlined scheduling capabilities make it incredibly easy to launch several A/B variants all at once for rapid algorithm feedback. This allows the platform's learning system to quickly and accurately tell you which creative elements actually resonate the most with your ideal viewer. It's important to keep it real regarding pricing and any potential limitations you might encounter as you scale. Yes, there are definitely cheaper single-edit options available if you only need to repurpose something once in a blue moon. Some of those alternatives might charge less per minute of footage, but then add hidden fees for every single export you generate. Other high-end editors are often prohibitively expensive and demand constant, dedicated manual oversight to function correctly. This solution firmly sits in the sweet spot when you become serious about achieving high volume and genuine automation in your content. Honestly, the sheer amount of time savings you gain often completely justifies the monthly subscription cost on its own. That being said, if you are a solo creator publishing just 2 videos per month, then a full suite system like this might genuinely be overkill for your current needs. Your final choice should always be based on the actual volume of content you plan to push and your specific business goals. Before we wrap up this comprehensive walkthrough, here are a couple of essential pro tips I always follow. Pro tip number 1. Always maintain a single master copy of the full video transcript saved somewhere safe. Even though the AI extracts clips automatically, having that full text allows you to search incredibly quickly for exact quotes or specific subject themes later. Pro tip number 2 involves batch recording similar types of long-form content together for maximum efficiency. Think recording all your interviews or all your weekly tutorials in one dedicated session, then processing them all at once. Pro tip number 3 is to utilize those campaign labels consistently to link clips directly to specific product launches or time-sensitive promotion windows. This ensures that absolutely nothing gets accidentally posted out of sync with your larger marketing calendar or live events. So, to concisely summarize our discussion, this workflow completely automates the most painful parts of repurposing long video assets. It handles finding the best hooks, creating platform-ready clips, managing the schedule, and overseeing the calendar organization. You transition from having one single long source file to possessing a steady, reliable stream of content across all your channels in minutes, not days. This is absolutely not a magic button that replaces your own good creative judgment. Rather, it removes the logistical friction so you can focus on ideas. It makes the execution part so incredibly easy that your primary focus shifts entirely to testing, iterating, and achieving audience growth. If you have ever felt the pain of scaling your repurposing efforts or desperately wanted to stop burning hours on manual editing, this is for you. I strongly encourage you to try using this tool right now to process just one single long piece and see how many valuable clips you instantly generate from it. If you found this specific walkthrough helpful and want to see more of our proprietary workflows, please drop a comment below, letting me know. I will gladly create follow-up videos detailing our exact processes for splitting creatives for paid ads, our best caption hacks, and our advanced scheduling strategies. The reality is that artificial intelligence is completely democratizing the ability to scale content creation for everyone. If you simply use the right intelligent tools, you are guaranteed to spend far less time fighting the edit and much more time focusing on genuine creation. Thank you so much for watching this detailed breakdown. Cheers to your next viral moment, and I will see you in the very next video.